Hey, so this is the unboxing of HP Spectre x360. It is the late 2018 version. Here are the specs. Hopefully you guys can see it. This is the newest version where the edges are curved off. And here we go. Okay, that was harder than expected. So now we're gonna open it up. And of course, it's in the nice Spectre box. Comes with a free leather case. Wasn't expecting that. Put it over there. There's nice Spectre packaging. And there you go, is a nice Spectre packaging. Okay, now I'm just going to open up the edges. Okay, it's time to open it up. Got two setup instructions because we're from Canada, French and English. And here is the HP Spectre 13-inch. That is nice. These are USB ports. Spectre logo. Okay, put that down for a bit. Let's see what else is in here. Some info. Very nicely packaged. Lift this up. Here is the new charging cable. And it's, of course, USB-C. Nice cable. Nice and small. There's a plug. And it looks like this. Only came with an HDMI adapter. Nothing else, no Ethernet cable. That's unfortunate. Gotta spend more money. And here is the HP pen. Here's the pen. It's the battery operated one. Hopefully this is nice to write with. And yeah, that's what's in the box. Here's the star. There's a look at the sides again. Here's the back. Very nice color. Power button. And I will open it in a bit. Okay, here's a laptop. Gonna open it up for the first time. Take that off, and very nice. And there you have it, the unboxing of the HP Spectre x360, the late 2018 version. Just got released a couple of weeks ago.